Hey, this is Eddie. Here I am. This is my channel. My channel is my journey, and I want you to join me on it. I am 63, probably 30 on the inside, retired last September, finding out what retirement is like. Hope you'll join me. Let's experience this together, learn together. Here we go. So I'm going down the road, as you can see. Hey, good afternoon. This is Eddie. This is my channel. And I'm going down the road, as you can see, toward church. You don't know that. Toward church. And I was just thinking I needed to make this video. I'm 62. I think I'm actually 63. Like, what does it matter? What's a year matter? But in a way, it does matter because another one's getting away from us. But so as I'm going down the road of life, I'm thinking I'm 62 or 63, and inside I'm like 30. This afternoon I was trying to think of what age. Not 20, a little more mature than that. Not 25, a smidgen more mature than that. About 30. This loud's pretty. And when I look in the mirror, I think to myself, really? You know, what happened there? What's going on there? You know, it's almost like, who is that guy? Time gets away. Monday, I was thinking to myself, you know, what's going to happen when it's Friday? I know Friday's going to get here, but really, that fast? Today's Thursday. They got here that fast. So this is quite the journey. Whoops, sorry. Hi, this is Eddie, and this is my channel. And what I'm doing right now is sharing my journey. Hope you find it relatable, maybe enlightening, maybe not, but at least relatable. Pretty cool. But I retired in September of last year, so I've been out for about 5 months out of work, and or out of, you know what I mean. It's been a lifestyle change, for sure, of figuring out what is important, what I want my routine to be, what I want my schedule to be, what I'm interested in doing, because I retired so I could find out what I want to do, what my goals are, what my dreams are. I know that seems late, but you know, as I say, better late than never, I guess. So it's come down to doing videos like this, and also working with computers. I enjoy working with computers. But I found myself not doing either one very much out of fear of not being accepted. So, as you can see, right now I'm filming anyway. And I found out I need to, I guess, build a computer so that I can get back into computers. Isn't that funny? Sounds good to me. It works for me. I can't wait. So maybe I'm finding it. Maybe I'm finding my purpose through that. And finding out how to use my time during the day. That's been another thing. Yeah. It's been a blessing. I'm not complaining. It's just been a different experience of finding my way. So I hope you can relate to this. Let me know if you can. Let me know if you like my channel. Hit like if you do. If I'm saying anything to you that makes sense or you can use, you can relate to. And if you want to hear more along this journey, subscribe. I'll be doing some more videos. But anyway, headed home right now to eat a sandwich and maybe watch some TV and like lots of others. And I meditate so I can be more present. Power of Now, as a book has been read or written, says. Anyway, take care. You guys have a good evening, and I'll talk to you soon. Hey, so we're back. We're filming. back on the road, trying this out to see if it works. Filming on the road versus filming my face. Looking for a green screen. Thought there was one at the church I used to go to in the bag that I left at the church. Turns out that wasn't the case. Wasn't there. Which means that Eddie, was taking care of myself for my future, thinking I was going to green screen, possibly green screen in the future, which was smart, insightful, and I'll give it to myself. And I must have put it in a bag with my stuff. So that's where I'm headed, to look at my boxes to see if I can find this thing. So I want to say good job, Eddie. We'll see how it goes for finding this thing. So I want to do green screen in front of this video, so I can change the background of this video to make it look better. So hope I'm using my time well. I pray that I'm using my time well and finding this green screen and going to Walmart and buying some green cloth. And then it's a matter of knowing which color to use. But that's another story. So here we go. The journey continues. Finding that green cloth so I can continue making this video. Take care. Bye. So I was recording before. By the way, hi, this is Eddie. This is my channel. The journey is what I'm calling it. The journey of being my age, which is 63, and inside feeling like I'm 30, and also having retired. I chose to retire, which is something I said I'd never do, last September in 2022. This is April now, and this was about 6 months, and I'll go sorry that. About 6 months ago, and so I said in the video before that I'm 63. Inside, there's a man looking out, which is me, who is about 25 to 30. So it's very surprising. It's about terrifying. It's almost like you're watching a movie and the main character, aged by some way and he wasn't expecting it. I think that's kind of what it's like. So, like I said, here I am looking out from the inside at a man who's 63. And it is surprising. They say, where have the years gone? I think I see where the years have gone. I mean, I've watched them go. I was a part of them. But it's strange. It brings an urgency to my life of my mortality. So it's nice to know that I have the feelings inside of being 30, but it's strange to see that guy out there. Even in a film, I can see that guy out there. I'm like, wow, who's that? But that's me. That's surprising. And when people talk about it, I see my relatives, my cousins, and they're older. I never thought they'd get older. So it's very surprising. I'll address the second part of that, probably in another video, about having retired, because I didn't ever think I was going to retire. And I chose to retire because my job wasn't producing anything of growth for me. And I wanted to produce things of growth, like this video. I'm hoping you can relate to this. I'm hoping you'll tell me in the comments that you can relate to this, of being so much younger on the inside and looking out and seeing a person who is much older. It's scary, and it's motivating for me to get things done. So I'll be talking more about this. I hope you join me in this ride, exploration, and leave comments. Like it if you like it, please, and subscribe if it really does something for you. And I appreciate that. Maybe you can leave comments about your thoughts, like I said. Anyway, take care. Have a good one. As a man thinketh, hi, this is Eddie. It's my channel. Welcome to my channel. 16th of April, I want to say. So, as a man thinketh, yeah, so is he. I gotta wrap myself around that. One is use of energy, and two, it is your attention and your focus. Where your attention and focus are, there you go also. So I've got to figure out if my attention and focus can, one, stay productive, and two, am I splitting my focus to the wrong things? That's what I've got to make sure of. Can I use my focus well for extended periods of time? I like that. Can I stay focused? Can I figure out my rest periods, my play periods, my relationship periods? That's what I gotta figure out. Can I practice the power of now, being in the present moment, and find balance in that? Can I have my awareness, my focus, my attention, my concentration override my hormones, my bodily urges, like as in not, well, you get it, as in like sexual urges. What are my real goals? And the why behind my goals? And are those important enough? What would cause me to be able to keep my attention on what I want to keep my attention on for a reasonable length of time, to be able to create something that I want to create? And also not overthinking this, but to have mastery over the small things, so that so I know what's important. I gotta know what's important and pursue that over the quick fixes, the little things. Cardboard butterfly metaphor. Realize, what is a cardboard butterfly? A decoy, a disguise, a distraction from the real thing. Those are the things you gotta realize. Thanks for listening. Thanks for listening. Come back and see me again. I played better today. I played pickleball better today. I think it's wiring. Visualizations, prayer, playing my own game, calming down, relaxing at the line, that sort of thing. I'm very happy about it. I feel like I'm playing smarter, getting closer to more third shot drops, thinking more. I think I'm anticipating more. And maybe I'm wanting to watch the other players more, but I am watching my partner more. I'm just real pleased. We were down 10-1, and We came back and won like 12-11. Very pleased about that. Very thankful. I look in this camera, making this video, and I see an older man I never thought I'd see. Inside, I'm probably 30. That's asking about 25. I'm probably 30.